that. Let's go have some fun, but everybody be a playmaker. Everybody be a difference maker.
Down middle, every snap. Every snap. Let's go. Stay on 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. We make the holes, you make the cuts, baby. Let's go.
Make sure everybody's lined up right. We hit it, we might take a shot. So be ready for it, be thinking about it.
Brewer, hands extended, wants the snap. Has it, quick strike out to the left side. Has Hodges on the run at the 5. Fighting for the goal line, center of the end zone. He's there, touchdown. Bucky Hodges, touchdown. Virginia Tech Hokies.
Because he looked at me, you know what I mean? Like, I came off on the slant, just go to him.
Make sure we get our hands up again. We had a low kick right there. Your job. Do your job. Do your job.
Snap is back, placed down. Sly drops the boom on it. It has plenty of leg, and it is good.
Good job, Joey. Good job, Joey.
30 minutes, believe. Look around that circle. Look at the man across from you. You gonna give it up for him? You gonna give it up for him? Stop waiting. Let's go. Give it for the man in this room, man. Look at each other and believe that. Look at each other and believe that. 30 minutes, we where we want to be. Let's go, man.
Hey, you know these guys are going to be a tough four-quarter football game, right? You keep fighting your tail off. You keep executing out there, okay?
Hey, let's go, fellas. Let's go, man. Finish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is when they like to do something tricky. You got me, Adonis? Be alert, then get a great break with the ball.
I was on the other side of the field. I was running. I was like, oh, he's down. Next thing I know,
Come on, we have plenty of time. Let's keep fighting.
4th down and 1. Dropping to throw. Brewer. Pressure comes. Hit as he lobs it up for the end zone. Hodges is pulled down. Made the catch anyway. Touchdown, Hokies. Peoples is in there as well, making it a power run. Turn, give, McMillan, he's in, backpedaling in, tie ball game.
What's up? Hey, overtime is our time. Overtime is our time.
We train for this shit.
For each other. We play smart every play and dominate. This is our time. Let's go get it.
We train those team, man.
Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Out of the gun works Brewer, takes it at the waist, drops the throw, looking right, now across the middle, throws, and it is caught. Touchdown, Bucky Hodges, touchdown, Virginia Tech Hokies.